Welcome to the world of seamless big data solutions. This is Rames.id. Amidst the vast landscape of big data, ensuring smooth data flow and efficient data orchestration is paramount. That's where Apache NiFi comes in, renowned for its powerful data flow capabilities. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Rames.id special version of the Apache NiFi component tailored for your specific needs. Integrating this version with Ambari, a pivotal management platform, is the key to unlocking next-level big data operations. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to effortlessly install our customized Apache NiFi component onto Ambari MPack. We understand that managing your big data ecosystem can be complex. That's why we've fine-tuned this process for simplicity and efficiency. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to supercharge your data flow and management capabilities. Let's embark on this journey to transform the way you manage and optimize your data. Stay tuned as we delve deep into the installation process. Begin by accessing the Ambari Server Web Admin. Navigate to the service bar on the left and click on the three buttons to add a new service. From the service selection, choose NiFi. Determine which server will house the component. Review all settings carefully. Once satisfied, click Deploy. Monitor the installation tasks as the process unfolds. The installation involves downloading, extracting, setting permissions, and initializing the service. Our NiFi version will start automatically once set up. When you see the command completed message, finalize the process by clicking Complete. On the NiFi component page, you'll notice an alert about a connection error to NiFi's port. This is normal since the process has just begun. Give it a moment. The alert will disappear, indicating the NiFi component's readiness. This alert isn't just a notification, it's an integrated system to verify NiFi's operational status, ensuring you're always informed. If you wish to view NiFi's web admin, you can access it directly from Ambari using the Quick Link button. However, we won't proceed through this link due to the required VPN connection to our internal platform. Returning to the NiFi component page, keep an eye out for the alert status change. And soon enough, with the alert cleared, NiFi will show a green indicator, signifying it's fully operational. Congratulations on integrating the Rames.id version of Apache NiFi with Ambari. Now, harness its power to optimize your big data operations. And just like that, you've successfully integrated the Rames.id version of Apache NiFi with Ambari MPack. Your big data ecosystem is now more powerful, efficient, and tailor-made to your unique requirements. With this integration, you're not just managing data, you're mastering it. Thank you for choosing Rames.id. Let's continue to redefine the boundaries of big data together.